cap tester like this. Okay? Doesn't matter which one you're going to use. Preferably I like this one. Alright, this one here, if you're checking a capacitor at 0 to 10, or yeah, 0.1 microfarads to 10, you're going to switch it to the low position. 10 microfarads and above, to the upper position. Alright? Alright. So now, all you're going to do is, okay, it says, capacitor number 1, what's printed on this one? This one here says 7.5 microfarads, okay? Then it wants to know what the actual reading is. So to find that, we're going to actually use our meter. I'm going to use this meter here. So I'm going to set it for MFD, which is the microfarads, okay?
This is marked what?
Which one is it?
7.5.
7.5.
I don't write it down now, but you might get a different capacity.
They're gonna give it to
Just
you.
showing you.
All of them are gonna be.
Alright, alright, alright.
So, to discharge a capacitor, you set it for ohms of resistance, and then you can pretty much watch the meter go down.
Just for the actual reading?
See how it went down that fast?
Fast.
Okay? Now, what's printed on this one here says 7.5, okay? So we write down. Now we want to check the microfarads after we discharged it. So what I'm going to do is put my meter like so.
You're just putting me in the middle, right?
Yep.
Okay.
6.57 microfarads is what this is. Nope, don't need it. Alright? So the actual reading is 6.57. This is good, open, leaking, or shorted. This would be good. Okay? Now, it tells you on the front what good internal short means, leaking, so on and so forth inside the lab test. Plus I wrote it up on the board as well. Okay? It tells you good capacitor, open, internal short. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you a different meter. Right? This meter here, I'm going to hook up the capacitor tester. I know it's under 10 because I already checked it, 7.5. Hold the button down, 6.7. That's it. This cap tester here, a little bit different, but does the same thing. Okay? This is for 0 to 20 microfarads, and this is the common. Okay? Just like that. This here is for a higher microfarad reading. Okay? So, it doesn't really matter. If you're checking from 0 to 20, you can also check from 0 to 100 right here. Alright? So what you do is you turn this on. You want to switch it to A because A says 0 to 100. Doesn't really matter. Alright? Let's check this one. We can check all three of these at once because we have the capability with this meter. This is the common because it says C. Herm I know is going to be the larger microfarad reading. Okay? And then the fan is the lower microfarad. 0. No good. Okay?
So where do we write the reading we get from here? Where do we write that?
On the actual.
Okay.
Whatever you're taking off the meter is going to be written on the actual. What's for the printed column, you're just going to read what's on here.
Okay.
It says 55 microfarads, plus or minus 6, and then 5 microfarads for the fan.
Okay.
Okay? It's all printed right there. Alright?
So do we know do the wires matter where we put them?
Yes,
Yeah,
it
how do
does.
we know? Yes, it does.
Yes.
How do we know where
The
where
common
the fan
is
one
always going to go to the common.
Yep.
So like common here is going to be right there.
It says
Your
common right here.
Fan,
So if it's 7.5
Well,
UF,
your hermetic,
What if
this
my
means
meter
hermetic
doesn't go to
pressure, that's going to be the
microfarads?
highest.
Which color is
Then
that?
you gotta
The
get
red
a
one?
different tester. You gotta
Well,
get a different
on this,
what if it's only
on this
like,
it's going to be red
what if it
because
does
the
farads,
red
but they're not
reads from
microfarads?
0 to 100.
Digital meter
See,
should
the
go
yellow
down
is
like
for
this.
smaller.
I have a client.
common.
I
Yeah,
want to bring my
but don't
meter
say
and see
low.
if it-
Say 0 to 20
Okay.
on this. High. This is high because it's 0 to. It's red. It's just indicated.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
All right.
the reason why you can do 3 is because the one isn't going to be over 20 microfarads, and the other one, well, it was bad anyways.
Oh,
But
Yeah. So here. We know this is 7.5, right?
Yeah. So that's what we're doing, the low one, right?
well, you could do the red one
You can do
because
the red one.
the red one will read all
Oh,
the way
'cause
from
it's
0 to
Okay.
100.
So it doesn't matter.
So look at 6.8 we're
Okay.
reading.
I mean,
That's what we're
it
telling
does, but it doesn't. It would matter if you hooked up the yellow to say over 20 microfarads.
got it.
That would matter.
Got it.
See, you're not really getting a good reading here.
Got it.
So it's recommended to use the right one for it. Okay. Here we get 6.8.
Got
Okay.
it.
Any questions? You gotta
Sign my
fix-
paper.
You gotta